GTRJacko here. Today I show you this stunning 458 Italia in the usual red with a matte grey on the top of it. Usually the have it either a normal black or matte black, but matte grey, it looks pretty cool in my opinion. No front number plate, as usual on the 458s. It's this. It just makes the front look so much better though, to be honest. After seeing quite a few of these, you do get used to the styling, but it still boggles. It still boggles the mind. Lovely interior. And of course the engine, 4.5 litre V8, 562 brake horsepower. All of which is emitted out of these three exhausts. Still feels quite warm, the car. Anyway, thank you for watching.